Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a Volkswagen Transporter T6 in the workshop for some major repair work. On its most recent service, there were a few warning signs that had started to show up. There was some excessive shaft play in the turbo and quite a lot of oil in the surrounding areas. There was also the very familiar dual mass flywheel rattle that we see when they're starting to fail, and also the DSG clutch was showing some signs of wear. These are all super common faults on these transporters, and it's important that they're rectified, otherwise you might be looking at replacing the entire engine. So after a full inspection and discussion with the customer, all of the repair work was authorised, and that meant that there was really only one proper way to do it. So in this video you'll see one of our techs pull the entire engine and transmission assembly out the front of the van before we can then get underway and replace the turbo, clutch and dual mass flywheel. Let's get into it. So, as mentioned in the intro, we're going to go ahead and remove the entire front from the van. This gives us the best access to the turbo, which is buried down the back of the engine bay. It also makes life a lot easier when removing the gearbox to access the DSG clutch and the dual mass flywheel. So, we'll fully drain the coolant system and AC gas to allow us to remove the entire front cassette, which holds the radiator, AC condenser and heat exchanger too. Now that we have the engine fully exposed, we can take out the drive shaft, hook up the engine crane and pull it all out of the van. So now that we have the engine and transmission out of the car, we have really easy access to the turbo, which is usually buried down the back of the engine bay. So now we can get the turbo off, get the transmission off, get the flywheel off and get the clutch changed and build it all back up and make this T6 as good as new. Now we're able to easily remove the turbo from the back of the engine, ready for the new unit to go on. And now that we've got the flywheel off, you can really hear the difference. Next, it's time for the DSG clutch. Unlike a manual, these units require us to calculate the exact shim thickness for each specific clutch pack. If this isn't perfect, the shifting may be jerky or the clutch may not engage at all. Once that's all sorted, we're ready to reinstall the engine. So that's a pretty hefty job completed on that transporter. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different compared to what we usually put out with the performance upgrades. But just in case you weren't aware, we do carry out loads of major repair work on all sorts of brands from the likes of Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Jaguar, Land Rover, loads of different stuff. You can find out all the information on what we do on our website, which is regalautosport.com, and you can also get in contact with our team if you've got any issues with your vehicle so we can get you booked in and back on the road. See you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.